Do you just grab your magic band and head for the park? Or do you pack for the Disney apocalypse? We're talking about packing those park bags for that ultimate day at Disney. Hey, this is Dora with Make Time for Magic, and today we are packing our park bags for that perfect day in the park. When it comes to park bags, everyone seems to have their own personal preferences, as do each of us here at Make Time for Magic. Chelsea prefers a hip or fanny pack, Jeff carries a small backpack or day pack, my choice varies between a small and medium-sized backpack, and Michael will usually just have his wallet. We all have our own level of comfort here, and you know your crew. So we're going to run with the assumption that everyone will start from their own baseline for, say, taking a full day trip. And we're going to offer some ideas for items that might be helpful for you. One item that you may want to consider, whether you pack heavy or light, will be a poncho. They sell these in the parks, but they are a little pricey, and you can pick them up at a Walmart or on Amazon for just a few bucks. I also keep a Ziploc bag handy so that I can easily stow away the poncho after I use it without getting everything else in my bag wet. Another item to have is a charging stick. I am always running the battery down on my phone and cameras. I pack several of these, but for lighter packers, these can be rented at the park as well. A more recent find that I always bring now is this self-inflating seat cushion. It is very light and doesn't take up much room at all, but it saves my backside during all the parades and the shows. Another item that I have found comes in handy is a carabiner clip. I usually throw one of these into my bag because I use it to hold my refillable mug from the resort. I don't leave without a mug full of coffee in the morning, and then I'll rinse it out and use it to carry water around in the park. The clip allows it to hang nicely on the side of my bag, and it can hook to your belt or fanny pack if you don't use a backpack. Chelsea and I both like to keep a few glow-in-the-dark necklaces or hair clips with us. It's always fun to have some of these to wear in the parks at night. I usually carry a small homemade first aid kit. Even if you're a light packer, you may consider a small bag with your preferred headache medicine and some Dramamine, which can come in handy. I love to ride all the rides, but every once in a while I'll come off a ride with a little motion sickness, and I don't want it to ruin the rest of my day for sure. Little ones in your group may appreciate some small activity packs or dollar store toys for downtime waiting for meal reservations or for shows to start. Pennies for the pressed penny machine if anyone in your group is a fan of those. And don't forget the autograph book and pin if you'll be seeking out your favorite characters. It's so exciting to plan for a Disney trip, so pack what makes you comfortable, whether you take your magic band and run, or you pack for the Disney apocalypse. It's all gonna be fun. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Remember, time is precious, so be sure to make time to create those magical memories.